you. I'm sending it everywhere, so I'm not fucking surprised.
Yeah, it's taken a while, but we're finally done.
Got drift missile. Out of work time. Spark.
Yeah.
Oh, you're selling this? Yeah, 100%. Sorry to interrupt you, but this is yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking nice.
Thanks, bro.
How long have you been drifting for?
In this car, I've been drifting for about 6 events.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and 3 of the events my car was fucked. Kept breaking down. And then before that, I've drifted a Falcon for about 1.5 years.
Shit. Okay. Going good tonight? No problems?
Nah, not at all yet.
That's it. But keep that shit up, yeah?
Thank you.
All the best, man. You too. It's only Monday.
What time is it?
Are you talking? Hey, whose head's bigger?
Whose head's bigger? Seriously, be honest.
Emma,
One sec, let me.
I haven't taken a photo together.
Hey, Emma, wait, let me get on his level.
I'm recording. Yeah, I don't know. Your heads are pretty equally as big.
Another one? Come by.
I don't know. Don't touch the camera, though. You want to touch everything you say.
Nah, green's actually not bad. To be fair.
Here, give it. No.
That's really like not that strong at all.
It's pretty good.
It's simple. It just has like an aftertaste. I really like it. Really like it.
How much is this Gatorade?
Give it, man!
It doesn't have nothing.
I'm trying to see like it comes
Oh, shit.
They're probably like, dude, what are you doing around here, bro? Bro, I hate when people rev their cars, mate.
Mate.
Brakes work.
Brakes work. Is that my car?
Oh. Is that? Yeah, I was about to say, dude, I don't know if I smelled that one.
Hold on. I'm gonna watch this fucking gauge. Imagine the oil pressure just goes to 0. Oh fuck!
We got no fucking oil, bro! You freaking cutie.
Okay, go.
Left on side. I think you got video proof of me getting bugged by a girl.
I trust you to come out. Yeah. Listen, I got permanent marker remover, alright? Don't do some dumb shit. I'm trusting you.
I won't. Nathan, how can I do this? I know, do it small like you.
Wait.
Nerd.
Bro, I cannot fit that.
That's fucking permanent marker.
Yeah. Man, you got one shot. You know what Eminem said? You got one shot.
This guy's taking too long.
Yeah, that's alright. That's good enough for me.
What, was a smudge in the name? No.
Yeah. Oh, that's fucked up. Do it again. Do it
I
again.
can't do it again.
Do it again. Rub that. Put a line there. Do it again.
Bro, he's disrespecting your business like that.
That's fucked up.
Alright,
man.
Nathan, I'm gonna make my own thing for it, alright? No, it's down there.
Oh, well, it is too.
Yeah, because I can't fit it there. I can't fit it there. I can't write sideways.
Basically, you're busting the wall though.
Yeah. I'll put your permanent mark up here.
Done. What did you write it?
Down there. I can't fit it there. I can't write sideways. I'm not that skilled.
Thanks, brother. You're a legend, yeah?
My man. See you guys soon, inshallah.
Enterprise, bro.
Oi! Oi, wait!
That starts to move, but I'm not ready.
I'll ask you.
Yeah. That's such an ogre.
I will fuck you up.
Yeah.
Floor,
She will. She actually will.
Alright, you gotta tell them to do nothing.
Oh.
It's not ASAP Ferg, are you serious?
We're gonna die.
Yeah,
That's alright.
Hey.
I have good insurance.
You've got good. So how fast?
That should be right.
Don't worry, I got
No, I'm fucking scared.
Did you all jump?
No. Hey, there's one person back here. Don't worry.
It is traction.
Say loose track. Don't.
I've got traction. No, they just.
He didn't chase me. He just said get out of here. Just hand him a holding.
They just do it one time.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna fuck him up.
You could just said.
Oh my god.
That's fucking mental.
Holy fuck.
Hey. Sorry.
Hey.
Hello. I want to drive it. No, my hydration.
No.
Is it video?
Yeah, it is.
Got an argument
Rock,
for
paper,
you. Can I
scissors
be
for the
careful?
Nardo keys.
And Troy Candy, they're gonna do.
Are you ready?
That'll be.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Nathan's gonna kill you. He's lost 3 times.
He sucks.
Tell me about it. I think it was the first one.
When you edit the photos with water in the background.
That photo is selfie of you.
Hey mate. Can I get a large McChicken meal?